son.
Daddy.
You're welcome.
Look at you. Welcome.
Bro.
You're welcome, brother.
Thank you, bro. I miss you more. Thank you.
Hey, my dear. How are you? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome, my dear. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Son, you're looking good.
Yes, ma'am. Why wouldn't I? Having stayed 1 year in the north where there's abundance of food. In fact, I brought some food stuff home.
You shouldn't have bothered yourself doing all that.
Why? I couldn't have stayed 1 year in the north and not come to this household with foodstuffs.
You see, you're welcome, my son. I welcome you. And I thank the God of Allah for bringing you back from the north after 1 year military service to your fatherland.
Yes, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Father, meet...
Hey, Nandi, this is not time to meet anybody. Let us all go in for refreshment. Yes. Then we can meet there.
I prepared a lot for you. Let's go in so you can eat and tell me more about the northerners.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on. Get the food to the car. Mom, this food is delicious.
You're welcome home, son.
Love you? Meet my fiancée. Her name is Junwa. She's from Omoka Kingdom. We graduated from the same university and served in the same state.
My daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
You're beautiful.
Thanks.
Who is your father in Umoka?
Mr. Longinus Adendo.
Longinus Adendo. Okay. And what does he do?
He's late.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
But he was a famous bricklayer.
Nandi, have you forgotten that you are a prince? The crown prince of Umachi Kingdom. You have the guts to introduce to me a girl, the daughter of a common bricklayer, as your fiancée. Come on. No.
Father, I've known that girl for many years. And I love her. She's the one I'm getting married to, not her father. Moreover, I don't even see anything wrong with her father being a bricklayer.
You see, you cannot marry from the household of the poor. No. Mba.
Dad, I've already proposed to her.
Then you have to go back and break up that engagement. You don't have any right to fall in love and make your love official without consulting me first. That is the way it should be. I'm telling you the truth.
Excuse me,
His Excellency the Governor is on the line.
Oh, His Excellency. No, let's take care. Hello, His Excellency. Yeah.
Son, you have to give your father some time. It's a gradual process. It's not something you can just expect him to accept immediately. It's not done.
Mom, Honestly, I've told you both the truth. I can't let go.
I understand. I'll be
There
in
is
love.
no room for negotiation in this, mother.
Please, give your father some time. Okay?
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way. Love is all that matters. We will make it through. Love is all that matters. Just me and you. Love is all that matters. I love you and you love me. That's all that
I've come to apologize for my father's attitude towards you when you came to the house. I'm sure he was only trying to make sure I don't make a mistake.
Come sit. It's okay, I understand. That's what every father will do for a son.
I love you. I really, really do. And nothing can change that.
I love you too. I'll always love you.
Thank you. So, where's your mother?
She went to the market. But she should be back any moment now.
Okay.
What do I offer you?
Anything. Anything will do. Anything from you is awesome.
Let's start with water.
Water then.
Excuse me.
All right.
I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way.
Welcome, Dad.
Good day, Your Highness.
Have I not warned you to keep up from this girl? Have I not? Dad, listen, I don't want to see you with this girl again, whether in or outside this palace. And you, my dear, the earlier you keep off from my son, the better for you. Because as a father, the king of this community, it is my duty, my responsibility to approve a wife for him, who must come from a royal family, a princess, or a reputable person, not an ordinary person. Did you hear me?
Dad, how you... Listen, don't take that to heart, okay? My father just being sentimental. You know you'd expect that from a king. I assure you everything will be fine. Right? Everything will be fine.
The earlier you keep off from my son, the better for you. Because as a father, the king of this community, it is my duty, my responsibility to approve a wife for him, who must come from a royal family, a princess, or a reputable person, not an ordinary person. Did you hear me?
I don't have any money, but I have you, honey. That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart, and we will never part. I love you and you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me.
Go to Gezu and get my beads for me.
Yes, sir.
How are you, son?
Mom, I'm fine.
Then why are you so dull? I wonder what's bothering my son.
Mom, I'm just worried.
Worried?
Mom, I'm worried over what's going on between Dad and Nnamdi over his choice of wife.
Oh, that? Your dad wants the best for his children. That shouldn't bother you.
Mom, I don't think it's right for parents to choose wives for their children. Moreover, I'm getting older and I'll be getting married. I'm scared. I don't want to go through what my brother is going through right now.
Don't worry, son. I promise to talk to your father concerning that.
Please do, Mom. Moreover, Ujunwa seems to me like a good girl. I think she possesses all the qualities a man would ever need.
I think so too. If I may ask, are you dating anyone that is not from a reputable home?
What took you so long?
I'm sorry, I had a lot to do in the palace. I'm here now. Let's go before someone sees us.
That's all. That must That's some. Up now. My angel. My queen. What is it?
I'm scared.
You're scared? Of what?
Everything.
Everything. Including me?
My prince, I'm scared of everything. Your family. Especially your dad, the king. I don't think the king will be alive to see you marry a commoner. Talk more of a maid like me.
Okay. Your background does not matter here. What matters is that I, Prince Ebuka, is in love with you. Okay?
And I love you too, my prince.
Now, put some smile on that face.
So, what are we doing here?
Well, I brought you out here so that we both could enjoy the serenity of nature. Huh? Outside that palace. I just want to be out here with you alone. Okay? My princess. Awesome. Up to now.
Mom, Dad said all that before her. And she cried home. How is it her fault that her father was a bricklayer? How is it her fault that she was born into a poor family? What fault of hers is that? All I know is I love her and I will do everything to make her my wife.
Don't worry, son. I'll talk to your father.
You just have to talk to him, Mother. Because I can't let her go.
I know. Just give him some time, okay?
I'd rather be by myself than be with someone else. I have given you my heart and we will never part. I love you and you love me.
That's my son.
That's all that matters. I need you and you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come.
What is it, Lord? I've been waiting for you. Is anything bothering you?
You are the one bothering me.
I'm the one bothering you. How?
I know you want the best for your children. But in the case of picking a wife, you have to respect their choice.
There you go again. Lolo, are you telling me that you are in support of our son, the crown prince of this kingdom, to marry a commoner, a nobody?
That girl is not a commoner. We are all equal before God. Besides, she is a lab scientist. She is smart, intelligent, and beautiful. She will make a good wife. What you should be considering is the happiness of your son and not the background of the girl he wants to marry.
No. Being a scientist, or beautiful, or hardworking, or smart does not remove the fact that that girl is a commoner. But please, can we sleep and talk about this issue in the morning?
No. I want us to talk about it now. My king, can't you see that your choice of picking a wife for these children is destroying the whole family? Can you imagine that Ebuka approached me yesterday asking if you will be the one to pick a wife for him? Please, don't be the one to destroy the happiness in this home that took us years to build. Oh.
If Nnamdi marrying Ujunwa will make you happy in this palace, then he has my blessings.
Thank you.
Can we now sleep?
Yes, we can.
Yes, come in.
What kept you so long?
I'm so sorry.
I've been waiting for you.
I'm sorry. I was actually waiting for the other maidens to sleep and those in the palace. You know the implication of what will happen to me If the queen should see me with you by this time, I don't want.
My love, I've told you this times without number. Nothing will happen to you. Okay? I love you.
I know. And I love you too.
I know that, my darling. Come here.
Namdi,
Father.
come. I discussed with your mother last night concerning your choice of wife. I would like you to invite Ujunwa to the palace. I want to see her.
Hello.
Hey! I didn't hear you come in.
Yeah, I kind of sneaked in. I have good news.
You do?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
My father wants to see you. He's asked me to invite you to the palace.
What? Why?
I don't know, but I have this feeling he's going to approve of our marriage.
Are you joking?
No, I'm serious. Dead serious. Very serious. That's the reason I'm here. This is what will happen. You tell your mother about it and get prepared. I'll come tomorrow to pick you to the palace.
You're serious?
Very serious. You should be excited.
Well, Nnamdi, you know, now you're done with school. Father said you'll be taking over the company until I'm done to join you.
Congratulations! Congratulations, my prince.
Thank you, my sis.
Mother told me everything.
Told you what?
The father invited Ujunwa over to the house.
Yeah, that reminds me. And we need to celebrate it, you know.
Yeah?
By the way, have you informed her?
I'm not telling her anything. There is no celebration yet until we know what father wants to say to her. You know how dramatic it can be.
Well, my wife has given me 1 million reasons why she thinks I should allow my children to be the ones to choose who to marry. And I have given a thought to it. So I've decided to allow you two to get married.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this and I'm glad that you have finally approved that we get married.
It's okay.
Thank you so much, my king.
Thank you, my daughter. I will discuss with Lolo so that we agree on the next step to take.
All right, Dad.
All right.
My prince,
My darling.
I heard that the king has given his consent to Prince Nnamdi to marry Ujunwa.
Yes, my darling, and I'm so happy. Finally, we have the right to marry whosoever we want to, not minding their background.
I am so happy. At least that gives me hope that one day We may end up as husband and wife if it pleases the gods.
If it pleases the gods.
Did I say something wrong?
Your Highness. Come. Whose turn is it to dust this place?
It's Oge, Your Highness.
Call her for me.
She's not around. She went out with Prince Ebuka.
Went out with my son? To where and for how long have they been gone?
I don't know, my queen.
Tell her to see me as soon as she's back. Get something to dust this place.
My darling, every man is a god of himself, and it pleases me, Prince Ebuka, that we spend the rest of our lives together. Now look. Now look. I have something to show you.
Where went you with my son that you left your work undone?
Your Highness,
Mom,
we...
you needed to have seen what happened today.
What happened?
Remember I told you I was going to see a friend this morning?
Of course I remember.
Yes, on my way out, I saw Oge. Her temperature was so high. So I had to take her to a pharmacy to get her those drugs.
Drugs?
Yes, Mom. Huh? You didn't want to tell anyone, right?
Yes, Your Highness.
So I had to take her down there to get these drugs. Let me get upstairs to clean up. I'll see you soon.
Okay. I'll call the family doctor to come check you.
My love, what's wrong with you?
Don't you know I took 2 injections yesterday?
2 injections? For what?
You're you not the person that told your mother yesterday that I was sick and you went to go and get 2 injections.
For that reason?
See, the doctor even said I need a bed rest.
Huh? Bed rest? No, this is serious. I can't believe this.
But wait though. How in God's name did you come up with that drama?
What drama was that?
The drugs you showed to your mother.
Oh, that one. My dear, you should know I am a very bad sharp guy. Eh? I am a very bad sharp guy.
And your sharpness has landed 2 injections on my buttocks.
Oh, my dear, I'm very sorry about that. Okay? I'm very sorry about that, okay?
My love.
Yes, darling.
See, we really need to be very careful. If your parents should find out about us, trust me, they will kill me.
No, they wouldn't kill you. Because if they do, they should be ready to bury both of us. Because I'm not letting you go, no matter what. Nice smile for me, my darling.
Please, you need to go. Just go, I beg.
You want me to go?
Chop. Yes.
Before I go, come on, give me some.
Just go.
I'll see you.
My name is Chifodo. Ujungwa is my niece. You're all welcome.
Thank you.
But before we proceed, you must give us 1 cock and 4 kola nuts, as that will assist us to appease our gods that has been protecting us for a very long time. You're welcome.
We are sorry we did not bring those items, but we want to exchange it with cash.
That's okay.
That's the money.
3,000. We took one cousin.
No, it's just for our transport.
That's
okay.
3,000.
Yeah.
Please excuse us, okay?
Yeah. We are coming. My queen.
3
Why are they leaving
nuts
us?
and a cock to appease their gods before accepting our marriage proposal. This is strange.
My queen, it's strange to me too. Since I was born, I have never seen such tradition before.
Ugeze. What do you want? Good day.
Please, are you from this kingdom?
Yes, I am from this kingdom, but I am not from this kindred. Yes, I just came to see my mother-in-law who is sick.
It's all right.
Okay.
We actually came to marry from this kingdom, but they demanded for a cock and kola nuts for them to give to their shrine beside their house before they will approve our marital proposal. I don't know.
Okay.
What's the meaning of that?
Yes. Okay. It is the tradition of this kindred. Yes. Whenever somebody wants to marry any of their daughters, they must tell their goddess that somebody wants to marry one of her daughters. They did it to me when I came to marry my wife. Yes. It is not harmful. It is generally the tradition of Osu people to do that.
Osu people?
Yes.
Outcast?
Yes.
Hey!
Anyway.
No, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
My in-laws, the gods accepted our sacrifice.
Yes, they have.
We will now call out our daughter to come and show us the man who is after her heart.
There will be no need for that.
Mother, what's going on?
Get up! And you?
Oh no. What is the problem?
No problem at all. I will send message across. No problem.
I knew that something was wrong with that girl from the very first day I set my eyes on her. But it's you. You coerced me into allowing my... Oh, he's even here. Allowing my son to start the process of marrying an outcast. But it will never happen. It won't happen, not even when I have joined my ancestors. It will never happen.
Father, all those things are in the past now. There's nothing like anyone being an outcast in this present generation.
Hey. So why did you not stop them when they were offering all those sacrifices to their gods? Because it is a thing of the past. Now you are standing before me, your father, the king of Umachi Kingdom, and telling me it is a thing of the past. Eh? Now listen, Nandi. I will not allow any Osu of any kind to enter into my family. Not talk of the blood of an Osu running in the veins of my generations. I will not. And you, I do not want to see that girl anywhere around this palace again. Did you hear me?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good.
I've always known you never wanted me to get married to that girl. You have kicked against it from the first day. But you know what, Father? I am going to marry her. Outcast or no outcast.
Namdi, try me. Try me.
You shouldn't have talked to your father the way you just did. Eh? And as for that girl, you're not going to marry her.
You don't just get it, Mother. I'm going to marry her.
You will not.
Nothing will happen, Mother.
You
I
will
will marry
not.
her. What is all this?
Stop crying. Eh? Stop crying.
If Prince Nnamdi is your husband, he will come back to you. There's no need crying out your eyes before it will happen. Please.
Ujunwa, stop crying. I must find out what went wrong. Besides, they promised to put message across on Wednesday they will come to finalize the marriage rite. So all is well. Okay?
From the way they left, I don't think they're coming back. I don't think they're coming back.
Sophia, they must surely come back. It's okay.
I want to go. Let me be going, okay? It's already getting late.
Thank you.
I'll see you tomorrow.
It's okay. Eh? Please now. Please. Mudo. Hey.
You joke, Laura.
I'm here because you're one of the cabinet members.
And also my father's favorite kingsman. So on that regard, I have come here to plead with you. Help beg my father to allow Prince Nnamdi marry the girl of his choice before this thing turns to a problem.
Prince Ebuka, my son. Namurun say, okay, no no no. The girl in question, she's an outcast. Osu. This tradition have been there since our forefathers, and they can never change in our time.
But the choke, Laura, huh? Most of our neighboring communities have abolished this Osu outcast system. It's a cake. For Christ's sake, we're in the 21st century, and there should be a way around this.
Prince, my son, there's an adage that says, what an old man see sitting, a child can never see it, even though he climbed an iroko tree. With time, you understand.
Anybody home? Anybody home? Anybody home?
Who is that?
Good afternoon, my lady.
Good afternoon.
Please, the king requests your presence immediately at the palace.
My mother is not at home. You can go. When she's back, I'll come to the palace.
No. No one keeps the king of Umuachi waiting. Please, you have to come with me immediately.
I sent for you because I want to tell you that my son, Nnamdi, the prince of Umaji Kingdom, will never marry an outcast. I want to clearly warn you to stay away from my son because I will not tolerate your sight with my son again. The blood of a royal man can never mix with that of an outcast till the world ends. My family will have nothing to do with you, will not dine or walk with you again because it is an abomination.
Now leave this palace and never, never come back again.
Are you crying because he called you an outcast? Or because he asked you to stay away from his son? And Uju,
I love Nnamdi. He's the only man my heart can ever accept.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's okay. See, if both of you are meant for each other, he will come looking for you. Stop crying, okay? Stop crying, Mom. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying. Don't. Oh? Because they are not because. It's okay. And it's okay. Oh, I talk about that.
Mazokura, thank the God so that who went with the royal family to the place of their supposed bride. Otherwise, they would have made a mistake of their lifetime. And this would have brought curse on this village.
Ichie, for the fact they have stepped their foot into that community, they have committed sacrilege and need cleansing. A big cleansing,
total cleansing. You see, how do you relate it? The royal blood and that outcast blood.
That's all right for me. That's all right for me. I would rather be by myself.
Where are the car keys?
Sorry, my prince. The king gave me an order not to give you any car keys, but allow you go out without any guard.
I love you when you love me. That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are. I don't care what they say. We'll survive whatever may come our way.
But my prince, I'm sorry you can't leave.
If you don't get out of this gate now, you'll regret working in this place. Get out!
Love is all that matters.
I've read this in history books. I've heard stories about it, but I don't believe things like this still exist.
Well, it does. And here you are looking at one. I am an Osu. And frankly, growing up, I didn't care what people thought about it, just like you. It didn't matter to me. But now it does. Now that it's at the verge of costing me my happiness, it does. I mean, you would think that with the middle ritual that everything will be all right, but no. You are royalty. And so no amount of blood cleansing or passive rites qualifies a commoner like me to be your wife.
The truth is, actually, I don't care what anybody thinks. What matters to me is that I love you. Whatever they feel or think about you and your condition is absolutely none of my business. Yes.
Your father will have my neck. I can never be part of your family. In his words, nothing will ever make the blood of a commoner mix with royalty.
My father said that to you? Why did you keep this away from me? Why?
That's all that matters. I need you when you need me. That's all that matters. I don't care what you are.
Dad, how could you? How could you say that to that girl? How could you shut up? That was a huge embarrassment. I said shut up!
Nnamdi.
Good day, my king.
Good day,
my
young
queen.
lady.
You're welcome, my dear.
Elias, my good friend.
Good day, my king.
Welcome to my kingdom.
Wow. My king, you have a great palace and a beautiful kingdom. You know what? Back in the UK, this kind of a place belonged to the bourgeoisies. I'm amazed I'm flabbergasted.
Welcome, my dear. Welcome, welcome.
And Ifoma?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
The last time I saw her, she was just barely 6 months. That was the day I dropped off her mother at Heathrow Airport.
All right.
Now look at her. She's a big girl.
That is it.
And
Prince Ebuka, sir.
Ebuka. Wow. Look at him, big boy.
with beers, right?
Thank you very much. You're welcome to the party.
I am flabbergasted. And where is Nnamdi?
Oh, Nnamdi is upstairs. He
Yeah,
just
he's
drove
upstairs.
in now.
Really?
He just drove in, yeah.
That's great.
He just drove in.
And your daughter is not looking bad at all.
Really? You can say that again.
Oh, yes, welcome, come.
Come inside, my dear.
Okay.
Wow. Come, welcome.
You're welcome.
This is
My king.
Yeah.
My daughter here graduated last year from Kent University. And she hasn't been to Nigeria since she lost her mother. That's my wife. So she'll be staying with you people for some time before coming back to UK, just as discussed.
I understand everything. And I thank you immensely for bringing her. You see, it is not an easy thing with 2 children as a widower, especially somebody like you who is a pilot. And I have been looking for that avenue to reciprocate all your good gestures to my family. You sheltered and took care of my wife, the Queen, in the UK when she gave birth to my Prince, Ebuka. You also did the same when she gave birth to my princess here. You see, this palace and this home is your second place. My dear, you are highly welcome.
Thank you so much, my king.
And Elias, I am assuring you that she will like it here.
You're welcome, my dear. You're like a daughter to us. So, feel at home. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this place.
I'm doing that already.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
You asked Mr. Elias to bring her daughter to the palace to live with us. And you didn't deem it fit to let me know.
Lolo, I'm sorry about that. But yes, I asked him to bring Vivian to stay with us. Because I need her around our son, the prince. At least she'll make him forget the outcast. Yes.
The moment I saw Vivian, I knew you had a plan, my husband.
I have a plan. And that plan is in the interest of the whole family. Vivian is a very beautiful girl. She is intelligent, she is smart, and moreover, she is the daughter of my personal good friend. And that is the kind of girl I want my sons to marry.
I'm scared Nnamdi might not like her.
He has no choice.
Yeah, I'm so happy to have you around this house. It's always me and my mother. And you know it's not everything I can discuss with her.
I know. But your brother, he's not happy.
Yeah, you're right. That's not the real him. Just that he has been passing through a lot emotionally.
Emotionally?
Yeah, emotionally.
What happened?
There's this lady that he's in love with. And he wants to marry her. But she's an outcast. So, my father told him not to marry her and never to see him with her ever again. So, the whole thing is really eating him up.
Outcast? What's that?
My dear, just Leave the African story. Meanwhile, you're looking good.
This.
Thank you very much, Auntie Vivian.
You're welcome. But next time, don't bow to me.
But the Queen said we should treat you as royalty.
But I'm not royalty.
We know, and we don't want to lose our job. That is why we must obey the Queen.
Son.
Dad.
Hope you're having a good time.
Yes, I am.
I want you to just take a good look at Vivian. She's a beautiful girl. And she can make a good wife to you, you know.
Dad, I cannot see her. The only one I know is Ujungwa. And she's the one my eyes can see.
Nnamdi, I forbid you to mention that name before me. Just look at that girl, Vivian. She is the one you will marry. And that is final.
That's alright for me. That's alright for me. I would rather be by myself.
My prince.
How will you?
He doesn't like me. I'm not welcomed here.